Guys, today I'll be showcasing this new Amazon find that I got that is super duper cute. As you guys know, I love cats, dogs, and all kinds of animals. So this is gonna be super duper exciting for me to see what these looks like. This is $18.99, and sometimes you can be able to find them on sale. If you get lucky, they usually put on 20% discount. And so, unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to do that. And so, okay, first things first, it comes with 20 stickers where you can put your kids' name on it so they know exactly it belongs to them, right? Cute, huh? I love the look of that. There's a spaceship, a bus, all kinds of stuff. Aw, this is super duper cute. And this one as well. Oh, well, all of them is super duper cute. So that is a good thing. And now let's go what's inside. Okay. There we go. Oh, it even comes with a sleeve. Okay, this is pretty nice. Not so thick, not so thin. So just pretty good. And I like that this is pretty sleek looking, shiny, and adjusting is super easy. It may be too easy to adjust, so that's because it's a little bit slippery, kind of like a silk looking, but it's not. So that might be an issue when it keeps falling down. I'm not sure yet. So we're gonna find out. Go see the stitches. How good is the sleeve looking? The photo here is not as great as the one on the Tumbler. And I'm not sure if I like the color that is kind of like a bluish, like dirty white. I'm not a fan of the dirty looking kind. Okay, stitches, not the best kind, but I'm not sure what to expect for that. So as you guys can see, the stitches over here. Stitches here is okay, over here as well. Just that one, it seems. And there we go. It's supposed to help with the insulation as well. So that is pretty nice. Okay, sturdy it seems, so that makes me happy. Okay, so whatever you see here, it looks like it's the same thing you'll be able to go see here, except that it is a little bit off color. You guys can see the difference color. This is more of the white cream kind, like the pearl white, and this is like bluish white, a dirty color white. Okay. Okay, the handle is not as soft. I was hoping this is kind of like the silicone kind, but this is a BPA-free plastic, and then supposed to be a leak-free, so that is a good thing. So if you guys have little ones that likes their stuff to fall off, so it's not gonna be a mess if they put it inside their bag or their lunch bag. Okay, and then in the bottom, made in China, do not microwave. Hand wash only, so don't put it in a dishwasher. Ah, that's pretty tight. Okay, so inside there is a gasket. It's all gonna go. Need a special brush so you can clean these. Make sure you guys clean these as well, because sometimes mold can get there, especially if you don't clean and dry it properly. So that is one thing that makes me not like this kind of thing, but Ari likes it that way. And the good thing is this is a pretty big straw here, so your little one will gonna have an easy way of getting their drink in there. I'm only planning to use this for water. So they give you two kind of straw, so you guys can see there is a straw here. So if you guys miss the other, how easy it is to put in there. Oh, pretty easy. Oh, I like that. Okay, and then let's see the quality of the stainless steel. It doesn't show what kind it is. The seam is pretty good, as you guys can see. There is, even though there is a line, this is a pretty, how do you call it, even. So there's not much of a bump in there. And then the thickness of the stainless steel is pretty good, as you guys can see over here. So that means it should allow us to keep the cold water cold for a while. It's supposed to be at least 8 hours, so that is a good thing. I love that if you feel this is kind of like 3D or 2D, because you can feel the bumps. It's nice and cute. Oh, look at all these cute hearts and doggies. Super duper nice. Okay, for $18, do you think it's a good buy? Especially if you got the $2 off. That's going to be super duper awesome. For the quality, I think it's good, and I like the fact that they provided a sleeve. so it doesn't scratch easy. You just put it in there. It kind of like a little bit of protection in there. And with that as said, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this container as well as the design. And if you guys have all these, let me know if you guys like it or not, and why not, just in case I need to return mine. And I hope you guys have a wonderful one. Remember to subscribe to Yoni J, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.